Right guys, we are walking down the very busy streets of Dalaman now. We're at the back street, so we're not on the high street, we're at the back streets, but we've had to park quite far away from our destination because it goes to show you how busy Dalaman is coming. I mean, when we first came to Turkey, you could park outside the destination, but now it's ridiculous. So, but we're gonna go get some very famous Lahmacun. Am I saying it right? Lahmacun. Lahmacun. You can see it's very busy. Lots of building work going on. There is a very popular bread shop on the corner here. So we're just gonna walk and show and walk and talk as we do. Mahaba. Altın order. Gonna try some sofas out, guys. Ooh, nice. Really interesting sofa. Yemi 27,000. So this is on altar. Okay.
That's very good.
Türkiye'de okudum böyle. Bu da öyle.
No,
Bu da
chop is there.
açılınca kalır.
And then you can put the head.
Şeydir kademe. Bak bu şimdi gitmiyor.
Very good.
Böyle yaptın beni iniyor. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You guys, this bed is really comfortable. There's a lovely shop he's got here.
One altar or two.
Few hours later, subscribe and
Guys, yes, it's currently Saturday. I think it's about coming up to 2:30. Abi. Hey, sen. So we're at my friend's Ali's place. We're gonna get some nice Lahmacun. We've been coming here for as long as we've been in Turkey. We've been coming. Mahaba. Hoş bulduk. Nasılsın? İyiyim, teşekkürler. If you guys come to Dalaman, this is the place for Lahmacun or pizza. There's many different establishments to eat at, but for us, this is the place. You know, they do it right here in the stone oven. This is the special ingredients, guys, that goes on top of the Lahmacun. These guys, real fresh mulberry. Oh wow! Oh, look at these. Are there?
Yeni Dünya.
Yeni Dünya.
Yes.
Oh, I can smell it already. I don't think I've witnessed anything like this before, so let me tell you. Like a little apricot. Hello, buddy. Here, guys, you just get the lettuce or the salad. I throw a couple of chilies in there because I'm brave. Some of the Madonnas. You fold it up. It's a traditional way of eating it. I like eating everything with a knife and fork, including a burger. Don't ask me why, but take a bite.
I know why we're being creative.
So delicious. Now, I try to make this type of stuff, but when it's cooked in a traditional stone oven, it's just an unbeatable flavor. Right, guys, our bellies are full after that meal. 4 individual Lahmacun pizzas, plus Amari had a medium-sized meat pizza. Sausage pizza. So altogether, how much is that, T?
That was 260.
260, about 230 lira, which is about what, a tenner?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, a tenner for you know, 3 meals and 3 drinks and some chai.
Salad,
you know,
bit of salad.
I don't know. I think it's really too expensive, but you know, that's our thinking. I don't know what you guys think. Way too expensive, right? T, what are you gonna do about it?
So expensive
What are you
now,
gonna do
we're
about it?
skint.
But guys, we're gonna end the video here. So thanks very much for coming on this journey with us. We hope you liked. So to the next time.
Hold on. Hit that like and subscribe button. Come on. Show us some love.
Show us some love. Show your boy Deli and your girl
If you
Tracy
don't,
and your little boy Amari some love. We here.
Don't, I'll come to your house and take your dog and cat and human.
We
Okay.
got 4 dogs and cats. I don't think we want any more.
We'll give you ours.
Yeah, we'll give you ours. If you don't subscribe, we're coming to drop our dogs at your house for you to have. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Remember guys, say it with a smile.